Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're thinking about using ERPNext in 2025, whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, it promises to manage everything from accounting to inventory and CRM. But is it really worth your time or money? In this honest review, I will break down the pros, cons, pricing, and the key features to help you decide. So let's get started. ERPNext is a free open source ERP system that covers modules like accounting, inventory, HR, CRM, sales, and manufacturing. It's web-based, customizable, and ideal for businesses that want full control without licensing fees. You can also self-host for free with no licensing cost, combining CRM, HRMs, and project management all in one dashboard. Developer can easily tweak workflows, forms, and script. Plus, there is an active community with plenty of forums, GitHub updates, and tutorials. It scales well for small to medium businesses. But there are some downside of this website. First, steep learning curve. Non-tech savvy users may feel overwhelmed. So that means this is not for a non-tech user at all. Second, required technical setup. Self-hosting can be complex unless you pay for their official hosting. Third, limited customer support. And lastly, not ideal for a very large enterprise like the depth of Oracle or SAP. You can self-host ERPNext for free, and official hosting for Frap Cloud starts around $50 per month depending on users and storage. Custom support, backups, and scaling options cost extra. Still, it's one of the most affordable ERP options available today. ERPNext is ideal for startup, e-commerce brand, manufacturers, and consultant with IT support. It is a great choice if you want to avoid high SaaS fees and maintain full control over your data. If you need 24/7 customer service or free plug and play simplicity, and this might not be for you. If you're a small to medium-sized business valuing flexibility, cost savings, and ownership, then ERPNext is 100% worth to try in 2025. If you want easier support and setup, and you want full-time support, consider other alternatives like Zoho and Odoo. If you find this video helpful, please like this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.